Now I have with me Miss Unnati Shinde, the one who made this painting. Nice painting, actually.
Thank you.
So, what were you thinking while you were making this one?
Well, basically, if you've seen all of my paintings, my theme is based on Rajasthan, where I visited last year. It's basically about Jodhpur and Jaisalmer, and this painting, what you can see, is about the sand dunes, what I saw over there. And I basically made it in my style of what layers and of sand dunes, what you can see. So it's been done in that way.
Very interesting.
Thank you.
So, I mean, was it something like a vacation, and
Yeah,
then you just saw things, and that really, kind of fascinated you and stuff, and then you made these paintings?
Yeah, I went for a trip, I went for a break, and as well as I was thinking of what theme I should start working on it. And when I visited that place, I got completely mesmerized by that place. So when I came back, I started sketching and everything, and then I eventually thought about, taking this as a theme and going forward with this.
Alright. So, for how long have you been, generally painting and stuff like that?
Well, I've been painting like since I was a kid, basically. Because my parents, both of them are artists, so I've been doing that. But started working on this since a year for this exhibition. So thought about that and started.
And that's an interesting thing, artistic background.
Yeah.
Qualifications.
So, where have you, got your master's degree and stuff?
I did my diploma in LS Radiator School of Art. I passed out in 2005. So I did my painting.
Well, this painting is pretty cool. What is this about? Like, what were you thinking when you drew this?
It's basically, see, when you it's in red color scheme, and I visited Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. So Jodhpur is basically blue, and Jaisalmer is known as the Golden City. So, and you have many palaces over there. So basically, you have all entrances which are very interesting. You have many windows and overlapping to it. So this is basically about it's like entering. You're entering into something.
Oh, are you feeling proud your paintings are in here?
Yeah, I'm very proud that they are displayed here, and I'm very proud of myself that actually I'm doing exhibitions and working on keeping on doing all this.
Alright, yeah, the work you enjoy and
Responses?
you're being known for it.
Responses.
So,
What are the responses you
yeah,
got?
what are the responses? What are the kind of responses you get each time a person views a painting?
I'm getting good responses. People are liking the colors what I have used, and people like the style also, and they also appreciate that even if it is abstract, people can
Understand
relate
it.
to I mean, they can see some form in it. So people don't actually say what it is. They don't have a question basically, but they register that it is Rajasthan. So I think it's what I have done. It's fulfilled.
So you have a plus point where your paintings are interpreted right.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, this is really interesting. Like it's a lady.
It's a lady.
I mean,
Can you explain
what's
that?
so special about it? Can you explain to us?
Special, I especially like, when you go to that part of our country, you see people in, guts and everything. I really like that form when you can see only one eye of, the lady. And you have they wear big ornaments, rings and everything. So it looks very interesting. It's like a big fashion statement, it looks very nice. So I liked it very much.
So that can be the new style of Chanel.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so this looks to me like an entrance with a lady or a man standing.
Yeah, it's a lady. So you have many doors and windows looking into each other, and you have lights and darkness, everything you have. So it's like too many things coming. You have lights and too many windows, doors. From one door you can see thousands of doors. So it's basically about that, and a lady who is walking towards light. So it's like this theme was basically that you have possibilities in life where she's just going ahead in life.
That thought, like there are possibilities in life, and this lady is walking through it. Do you have any personal, thought behind any other painting of yours? I mean, like you said, it's about Rajasthan, but there's always a personal touch to it. So, is there any kind with the other paintings of yours?
Personal touch, as in, I think I have personal touch with everything. I mean, as you can see in everything, you can, in this painting, you feel that there's celebration. Matlab, even if it's like a temple, but it's not a temple. But you feel that there's, celebration in it. Because you see those ऊपर हाँ बांधा हुआ है. तो celebration या auspicious जो माना जाता है, positive चीजें जो होती हैं, तभी हम लोग वो सब बांधते हैं. तो it looks, positivity basically है.
Okay, so this is a man and a woman.
Yeah.
So it's a typical Rajasthani guy.
Typical Rajasthani guy and a typical Rajasthani woman. They have a very they have this pride of turban, and women have this pride of of that gungat. They don't take off their gungat. So I have basically tried to capture that because they are very they have this thing of कि we are Rajputs.
Right.
उनको एक बहुत गर्व है खुद पे एंड या राजपूत होने का एंड अबाउट द कॉस्ट्यूम ऑल्सो.
So in our Mumbai language, vat badta hai types.
right.
All right. Okay, so this is a Rajasthani city from like a window or a door.
Yeah, it's from a window. It's you can say this is Jaisalmer from a window because when you see it from a window, you have darkness around it, and when you see through it, you see full brightness through the city. And it's infinite. The city is infinite. So.
Yeah. In short, what do you think of art, and what would you like to say to the upcoming artists or the artists who want their paintings to be a part of this big gallery? What kind of a little tip or a little thing you would like to tell them?
Well, I think you should just keep on working. It helps you grow. That's what I am doing because I don't think anybody can achieve. I think till I am old, I'll be still learning few things. Not few things, I think a lot more. And I'll be keep learning and learning. You especially grow when you keep working. So you should keep having exhibitions. You get good responses. You know what are your drawbacks and you get good feedbacks from people. So
Thank you so much. Okay, learning point. Give feedbacks, guys. Go visit galleries, give them responses, encourage them. What are you all doing sitting at home? Gosh.